everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura and I'm the one behind all the hard work of this channel. I decided to make this video to share with you something amazing that happened to me. A few weeks ago, I have been contacted by Vivian from Beebeecraft. What is Beebeecraft? Well, Beebeecraft is an online shop providing high quality jewelry making and craft supplies. Vivian mentioned something about the Beebeecraft YouTube program. I'm admitting I was a bit skeptic and I found it a bit odd. I would like to mention that at that time I was having just 700 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and from my point of view I was not qualified at all for any sponsorship. But having nothing to lose, I thought to myself, let's give it a try. So if you're having a YouTube channel, you have a minimum 100 subscribers, and you didn't receive any email from Beebeecraft, you can apply by contacting them in the website, which is mentioned below in description. I can tell you guys that was surprised to find out that I can choose products from their online shop and make it delivered for free. Today I will share with you the excited moment of unboxing. Well, due to COVID restriction, I had to wait 3 long months. I can't wait to get out my goods. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm so excited, guys. And I'm more excited to share this with you, to be lucky to have you all. Okay, so da-da-da-dum. This is the silver color iron twist chain for necklace, jewelry making, accessories. As you all know, I'm working with more with recycling materials. And this is the flower beads. Oh my god, where are my nails? I want to show you all of them. Well, they are saying that there are 15 styles and around 300 pieces. I will let in the description all the details about them. So there you are. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, and here this should be the findings. Oh my god, I need Okay, so these are the finding clips. So we have clamps, we have earrings, another type of earrings. These are for pendants. These are hooks. Some small bits, I believe. Oh, look at this. Oh, these are the inner part of earrings. That's nice. And these are claw clasps, I think. Beautiful. Let's see what's this. These are the lobsters. Oh, it will take too long to open it, but let's okay. So here they are. Some rings, some chain, beautiful, beautiful. That's it for now. I would like to thank you all for being part of this excitement, and I would like to thank Beebeecraft for such an empowering idea. And please don't forget about the Beebeecraft YouTube program. Bye!